Hello, good morning, everyone. Measures of central tendency, chapter number 3, statistics, in which today we are going to learn a new method of quartile, decile and percentile. These are the positional measures. Likewise, median. Median divides an array distribution into two equal parts. Similarly, quartiles, deciles and percentiles are also the positional measure or positional average of central value. Quartile, there are three number of the quartile, Q1, Q2, Q3, and quartile divides an array distribution into four equal parts. Similarly, deciles divides an array distribution into 10 equal parts, and percentile divides an array distribution into 100 equal parts. Before computing median, quartiles, deciles and percentiles, we have to arrange the data in the order form, either in ascending order or in the descending order. Here, in the given example, calculate median and also calculate Q1, Q3, D4, P25, P60 for the data given. This data series is given 20 number of the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. The type of the data, the type of the distribution, ungrouped data or individual data series. And number of the item, number of the observation 20, and this is the magnitude series. Order form means the data arranged in the order series, means order form. In the ascending order, if we arrange the data, then first of all 9, then 10 occurs 2 times, 10, 10, then 14, 28, 29, 31, 32, 40, 40, somewhere here 40, 47, this 47 and so on. Means arrange this data. For calculating median or for calculating QDP, we must arrange the data and then calculate the required measure. Arrangement of the data in the ascending form. Now median, we have computed the median for the same series. So calculation of median is given by n plus 1 upon 2. In the denominator there is 2 for computing median, because the function of median to divide the distribution into two equal parts, and that is why in the denominator there is 2. Total number of the items, total number of observation 20. N means 20. 20 plus 1, 21. 21 by 2 means 10.5. Now 10.5 exactly lies between 10 and 11. 10.5 is the number exactly lies in the center of 10 and 11. That is why we can write 10th observation plus 11th observation by 2. 10th observation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10th observation is 47. Next observation is 51. 47 plus 51 by 2. Addition of these two numbers in the numerator 98. 98 divided by 2, answer will be 49 units. If income is given, then rupees. If height is given, then centimeter or inches. If weight is given, then kilogram, gram, whatever may be unit is given, unit must be written with the answer. Answer with the proper unit. Now quartile. If Q is there, then 4 must be there in the denominator, because function of quartile divides an array distribution into 4 equal parts, and that is why in the denominator there is 4. If it is Q, then there is 4 in the denominator. If we want to find out Q1, then outside the bracket there is 1, outside the bracket, right? If Q2, then there is 2 outside the bracket. If Q3, then there is 3. See, Q3, there is 3 outside the bracket, right? Now for Q1, 1 inside the bracket n plus 1 upon 4, value or observation. N means 20, 20 plus 1 upon 4, the simplification. The whole simplification is 5.25. 5.25 value or observation or item. Now how to determine the 5.25 value? The integer part, the complete part is 5. Therefore, fifth observation. Here, fifth value or fifth observation. Here, right? Fifth observation. Plus fractional part 0.25. Here 0.25. This 5.25 lies between 5 and 6. Therefore, sixth item minus fifth item. Sixth observation minus fifth observation. Because 5.5 lies between 5 and 6. Now fifth value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 28, we should write 28. Plus 25. Sixth value minus fifth value. 29 minus 28. The difference of these two numbers 1. 1 multiplied by any quantity, the number itself 0.25. And finally the answer of Q1. It is known as first quartile. Q1 28.25 units. Rupees, centimeter, inches, kilogram, ton, whatever may be that. Then Q3. Q3 is outside the bracket, that is 3. Outside the bracket, that is 3. Right? Then inside the bracket n plus 1 upon 4. Because quartile divides array distribution, that is why in the denominator 4. And Q3 outside the bracket, that is 3. Now n is 20, 20 plus 1 upon 4, multiply by 3, 20 plus 1, 21, by 4 means 5.25, into 3, 15.75. 15.75 in which complete integer is 15. Therefore, 15th item or 15th observation. Fraction part 0.75 means plus 0.75. In the another bracket, this value lies between 15 and 16. Therefore, 16th observation minus 15th observation. Right? 0.75. Now 15th value, 15th observation. After arranging the data, this is known as magnitude series. Data are arranged in the ascending form. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 63, 15th value, 67, 16th value, right? 0.75, 16th value 67, 15th observation 63, difference of these two quantities 4, 4 into 0.75, 3.0. Therefore, 66 number of the units. All these is answer number 3. Determine the value of median Q1, Q3, D4. D means decile. D means decile. Deciles divides an array distribution. Deciles divides an array distribution into 10 equal parts. If there is D, then 10 must be there in the denominator. See, decile. The function of decile is to divide the array distribution into 10 equal parts, and that is why there is 10 in the denominator. See, and if you want to calculate D4, then outside the bracket there is 4. See, right? Now substitute the value 4. N is 20, 20 plus 1, 21, 21 by 10, 2.1, 2.1 into 4, 8.4th value or observation. Now 8.4 in which complete part, integer part 8 means 8 observation plus fractional part 0.4, 9th value minus 8th value. 9th value is 40 and 8th value is 32, right? 40 minus 32. The difference of these quantities 8, 8 into 0.4, 3.2. Ultimately the answer. See, the procedure, the method remains same, but what is changed? If median is there, then there is 2 in the denominator. If quartile is there, then 4 in the denominator. If quartile is there, then 4 in the denominator. If decile is there, then 10 in the denominator, right? Remaining all procedure as it is throughout. But you must write all the stats. You must write the whole procedure. 8 value means 32. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 32 is the 8th observation. So write 32 plus 0.4. Difference of these two quantity 8. Ultimately answer will be 35.2 units. Now P25 percentile. Quartile divides an array distribution into 4 equal parts. Deciles divides an array distribution into 10 equal parts. Similarly, percentiles divides an array distribution into 100 equal parts. P25 outside the bracket that is 25, inside the bracket n plus 1 upon 100, because function of percentile is to divide the array distribution into 100 parts. Therefore, there is 100 in the denominator for computing percentiles. Now substitute the value. N is 20, 20 plus 1, 21 upon 4, 25 4 is 100. Cut. 25 4 is 100. Therefore, 4 is the denominator. In the numerator there is 21. The simplification is 5.25. Once again, same procedure can be adopted. Fifth observation means fifth value. Fifth observation, right? Fraction part 0.25, and in the bracket this value lies between 5 and 6, and therefore 6th value minus 5th value. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 28 plus 0.25. 6th value is 29, 5th value is 28. Difference of these two number 1 point means 1 into 0.25. Ultimately the answer will be 28.25 units. Answer of P25. But one point should be noted here, that median, quartiles, deciles and percentiles are the positional measures for array distribution. The data which are arranged in the order form. Therefore, important notes that the value of Q1 and value of P25 always same. See, value of Q1 and value of P25. This value. Notes, Q1 and P25 similar. Q3 and P75 also similar. Moreover, median is same as Q2, which is same as D5, which is same as P50. Therefore, this point should be noted. Now, finally, P60 means 6068 percentile. Now, outside the bracket there is 60, inside the bracket n plus 1. In the denominator there is 100, because percentile divides an array distribution into 100 equal parts. Now, 60, n plus 1 means 20 plus 1, n plus 1 means 20 plus 1, 0 0 cut, 20 plus 1 is 21 upon 10, 2.1 into 6, 2.1 multiplied by 6 means 12.6, the value of observation. 12.6 in which 12 is the integer part and 0.6 is the fractional part. Therefore, 12 observation plus 0.6, 13th value minus 12th value, because 12.6 lies between 12.6 lies between 13 and 12, right? Therefore, 54 12th value, 60 13th value, 60 minus 54, 12th value is 54, 54 plus 0.6 times 60 minus 54. The subtraction of these two quantity 6 into 0.6, it becomes 3.6. Therefore, ultimate answer of P60, 54 plus 3.6, and hence which is equal to 57.6 units. Answer number 6. This is the most important method in the calculation of quartiles, deciles and percentiles. quartiles, deciles and percentiles for the ungrouped type data for individual type of data series. We practice very well. Examples from textbook, from illustrations, from practice book as well as from PDF, that you must practice this. This is the one of the important chapter, measure of central tendency, chapter number 3. One of the important chapter in your statistical study. If you learn well, practice well, then next two chapter become very easy for you. So we practice this type of examples. More than 7 or 10 example must be done by you. Thank you everybody. Thank you very much. See you